If your fuel door is stuck, you're not alone. Millions face this at the pump every year. Let's fix it fast. First, double-check your car is fully unlocked. Some cars keep the fuel door locked when the doors are locked. It's an easy fix. If it's still stuck, look for a fuel door release button or lever, usually near the driver's seat or under the dashboard. Press or pull it, and listen for a click. No luck? Sometimes dirt or ice jams the door. Gently tap around the door to loosen it up. Never force it open. A little patience can save you money. If you drive a newer car, there may be a safety feature that keeps the door locked when the engine is running or the car is in gear. Turn off the engine and try again. Still nothing? Check your owner's manual. Many cars have a hidden manual release inside the trunk or near the fuel cap. If you're still stuck, it's time to call a mechanic. Forcing the door could break it, and that's a bigger problem. Remember, most fuel door issues are simple fixes. Take a deep breath, follow these steps, and you'll be back on the road in no time.